Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect Razer Barracuda X to iPhone. Connect Razer Barracuda X to iPhone. Step 1. Open the Bluetooth setting on your iPhone. Go to the settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down and select Bluetooth. Make sure that the Bluetooth switch is turned on. Step 2. Start with the headset power off. Before you begin the pairing process, make sure your Razer Barracuda X headset is turned off. Step 3. Ensure there is enough power. Make sure that the headset has enough battery power to complete the pairing process. You can check the battery level by pressing the power button once and the LED indicator will show the battery level. Step 4. Turn on the pairing mode on headset. Press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the indicator light blinks blue. This indicates that the headset is in the Bluetooth pairing mode and ready to connect to your iPhone. 5. Select your headset from the list of available devices. Once you have completed these steps, your Razer Barracuda X headset should be successfully connected to your iPhone. You can now use the headset to listen to music and make phone calls and more. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.